it's Nakiri Nicole, and I am back with another video. I told y'all I was back and I wasn't leaving, and I meant that. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. If you read the title and looked at the thumbnail and didn't know what this video is about, I have another hair review, and this one is from Isee hair. It's actually a wig that I have on now. So cute, right? And before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Get your girl to 1,000 subscribers on the road to 1K. Let's go.
You want, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carbon here like Mayweather. Tula come through and blow a hole. Got millions out that rap shit. They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, hope it's some shell toes. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Tag glow, two-tone Cartier matching nails, ho. Tag glow, no competition, these bitches fail, ho. Tag glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Tag glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Tag glow, keep running circles around the snail, ho. Tag glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get low, where you been at, mine? Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait.
Look at this wig. It's so full. It's so thick. This wig is a 6x4 glueless closure wig. It came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. Who y'all know giving y'all a wig like that? I didn't have to do anything to this wig. All I had to do was slap this bad boy on. I like the extra security, y'all. I don't got time for nobody to be pulling my wig off. I just don't have time. I use got to be glued and put it down. No ghost spine. Just a little spray. I didn't have to put any makeup on this lace. The only makeup that I put on my lace was down the middle to make my part more defined. That's all, y'all. They show out with this wig. Isee hair show out. They did they big one with this. If you like this wig, click the link down in the description box and purchase it. It's on sale right now. They have a big sale right now, so make sure y'all go get y'all one. Get your girl to 1,000 subscribers. Before we end this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you get notified every time I post. Yeah, we out. Mwah.